Are your hands so dry they crack and even bleed? Does every hand wash feel like a punishment? I know that pain, but what if I told you that in just a few days, you could have soft, smooth, healthy hands again, using simple, natural ingredients you probably already have at home? Welcome to your daily reset. Dr. Victor Leland here again. Stick with me because today we're going to completely transform your hands from painful and cracked to beautifully healed just in time for winter. First, let's understand why this happens. It's not just you. Winter is cold and dry, and it literally sucks the moisture right out of your skin. Add to that frequent hand washing, harsh soaps, and sanitizers, and you've got the perfect storm for dry, cracked hands. The top layer of your skin, your protective barrier, gets damaged. It can't hold on to moisture anymore, which leads to those painful cracks and inflammation. But don't worry, we can fix this, and we can do it naturally. Let's dive into my favorite all-natural remedies. We're starting with the ultimate overnight hand mask. This is a game changer. You'll need 3 simple things: raw honey, olive oil, and a pair of cotton gloves. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin, and it's also antibacterial, which is perfect for healing those little cracks. Olive oil is packed with fatty acids and antioxidants that deeply nourish and repair your skin barrier. Here's exactly what you do. Before bed, take about a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of olive oil and mix them together in a small bowl. Gently massage this mixture all over your hands. Don't forget your cuticles and the areas between your fingers. It will feel a bit sticky, but trust the process. Once your hands are fully coated, slip on a pair of soft cotton gloves. This keeps the mask on your hands and off your sheets, and the warmth helps the ingredients penetrate even deeper. Go to sleep, and in the morning, wash your hands gently with lukewarm water. You will be amazed at how much softer they feel after just one night. Next up, a quick and effective daytime treatment, a colloidal oatmeal soak. Have your hands ever felt itchy and irritated? This is your solution. Colloidal oatmeal is basically finely ground oats, and it's famous for its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. It creates a protective film over your skin, blocking in moisture and calming redness. To make it, you just need a large bowl, warm water, and about 2 tablespoons of colloidal oatmeal. You can buy it or you can make your own by grinding regular and flavored rolled oats in a blender until they become a fine powder. Pour the oatmeal powder into the bowl of warm water and stir until it dissolves and the water looks milky. Now for the best part. Just submerge your hands in the water and relax for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let the oatmeal work its magic. When you're done, gently pat your hands dry with a soft towel. Don't rub. Patting leaves a thin layer of that protective goodness on your skin. This is great to do in the middle of the day when your hands need a little extra love and relief. How simple is that? Now that we have these powerful remedies, let's talk about building a daily routine that prevents your hands from ever getting that bad again. Consistency is everything. Think of it like a skincare routine, but for your hands. Your new daily hand care routine has 3 simple steps to cleanse, moisturize, and protect. For cleansing, switch to a gentle, hydrating hand soap. Look for soaps that are sulfate-free and contain ingredients like glycerin, shea butter, or aloe vera. Always use lukewarm water, not hot water, as hot water strips your skin of its natural oils. And again, always pat your hands dry. The second and most crucial step is to moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. You need to apply a good hand cream immediately after every single hand wash. This is non-negotiable. When your skin is slightly damp, it absorbs moisturizer much more effectively. Keep a hand cream everywhere, by your kitchen sink, your bathroom sink, in your bag, on your desk. Make it impossible to forget. We'll talk about what kind of cream to look for in just a minute. The third step is protection. Are you washing dishes or cleaning with harsh chemicals? Wear waterproof gloves. Every time. This creates a physical barrier between your skin and the irritants. And when you go outside in the cold, wear your winter gloves. This protects your hands from that harsh dryer we talked about earlier. It's a simple habit that makes a world of difference. Now, I know the natural remedies are amazing, but sometimes you just need a reliable, affordable product you can grab from the store. So, I want to share a few of my go-to budget-friendly hand creams that actually work wonders. The key is to look for specific ingredients. You want occlusives which form a protective barrier, like petrolatum, shea butter, or dimethicone. You also want humectants to draw in moisture, like glycerin and hyaluronic acid. And finally, linolents to soften the skin, like ceramides and lanolin. One of my absolute favorites is the CeraVe Therapeutic Hand Cream. It contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid, it's fragrance-free, and it absorbs really nicely without feeling greasy. It's fantastic for rebuilding that skin barrier. Another classic is the Neutrogena Norwegian Formula Hand Cream. A tiny dab of this glycerin-rich formula goes a very long way. It's a bit thicker, so it's perfect for applying right before bed, even over your overnight hand mask for extra power. Lastly, for a more natural store-bought option, look for Welletta Skin Food. It's a super rich, thick cream with calendula and chamomile to soothe the skin. It can feel a bit heavy, so it's another great choice for an intensive nighttime treatment. You don't need to spend a fortune to get incredible results. Just look for those key ingredients. So, we've covered the causes, the best home remedies, a daily routine, and affordable products. Now, let's wrap up with some final prevention tips to keep your hands soft all winter long. First, invest in a humidifier for your home, especially for your bedroom. It adds moisture back into the air, which helps your skin stay hydrated while you sleep. Think of it as creating a healthier environment for your skin. Second, watch your diet and hydration. Drinking plenty of water is essential for skin health from the inside out. Also, eating foods rich in healthy fats, like avocados, nuts, and salmon, can help support your skin's natural lipid barrier. Your skin is your body's largest organ, so what you put inside your body truly shows on the outside. And my last tip is to be mindful of hand sanitizers. While they're necessary at times, many are very high in alcohol and incredibly drying. If you have to use one, try to find a formula that also contains moisturizing ingredients like aloe or glycerin. And always, always, follow up with hand cream immediately after the sanitizer is dried. You now have a complete toolkit to heal your dry, cracked hands naturally and keep them soft and healthy. It's all about combining intensive treatments with a consistent daily care routine. You can do this. Your hands do so much for you every day. It's time to give them the care they deserve. If this video was helpful and your hands need this kind of rescue, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And I want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me what your biggest struggle with dry hands is. Is it the cracking, itchiness, the constant discomfort? Let's talk in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my weekly natural skincare hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.